Welcome! This video will show you your first visit to Flatsite instance and set up your account with the installation wizard. Flatsite is the ultimate WordPress solution that lets you manage faster and more secured WordPress sites from a single dashboard. It eliminates the need to manage or run heavy web servers. Once you get Flatsite, you will get access to the wizard. Now we have to create an admin account. Type in your information and click on Next. Now we will be redirected. You are also able to create more users for your employees. For this demo, I will create 2 more users, for example. Just type in a name and their email address. A password will be sent to their mail address. You can also select a different role for each additional user. An editor is the most basic role. You can create as many editors as you like. They are able to edit the website and contribute the content. As a site admin, you have full right over the CMS installs, but not rights in the Flatsite instance. You can also create additional admin accounts. They have full rights everywhere. In our next step, we have to create a deploy server. A deploy server is where the final version of the live website will be pushed and your visitors will be able to access it. It is the same thing like a hosting account. At this time of the wizard, this step is optional and you can skip it. Skipping it will simply create a default localhost server. You can edit it any time later. The admin account can add many deploy servers for different websites. Let's type in a random name like live server, because it only helps us to identify the server later. For our host server address, I will put flatsite.com. You can also choose between FTP and SFTP. We will also use the basic port 21. Type in your FTP username and password and click on Next. Next step, we have to create our first website. Choose whatever name you are comfortable with and type in the URL. Next, select on which server you want to deploy your website. I will select the one we just created. You can also change your language you want your WordPress site to be installed in. Now click on Finish Setup. Your website is now getting installed. This can take up to a couple minutes. Congratulations, your local WordPress is ready to be used. Before working on your website, let's have a look at the backend interface. As you just set up the system, you're logged in as an administrator. It means you have full rights here. Up at your navbar, you can see local websites. By clicking on it, you can get access to all your existing local websites here. Let's click on Live Server here. You can see and edit all the information we specified in the installation wizard. We can also test our connection by clicking here. Looks like our server is perfectly running. Now let's check the edit screen. For that, click on the Edit button. Here you can see all the information like in the installation wizard and also the new path field. Depending on your hosting provider, you might have to change this information. For example, use /public_HTML for cPanel. The path determines where your exported data will be saved. Now we finished editing our server. Let's take a closer look at our users by clicking on Administration and Users. Here you see all the users in this Flatsite instance. Let's create another new user. You can also specify the roles. Hit save and now we are on the profile we just created. You will notice an activity log here. The admin can check which action has been done by which user. On top of the right navbar, you will see your name. Click it and you can manage your own profile or log out. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more of our videos afterwards.